Practice set 1.56 example. Out of 1900 kilometer, we shall travel some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Means he travels 1900 kilometers, but some distance he travel by bus and some distance he travel by aeroplane. Then bus travel with average speed of 60 km per hour. Means average speed of the bus is given 60 km per hour and the average speed of the aeroplane is given 700 km per hour. And next condition is given, it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Means by the 60 km per hour and by the 700 km per hour, it requires 5 hours to complete the journey. Then you have to find out the distance travel by Vishal. The distance travel Vishal by bus. Means how much distance he travel by bus, that you have to find out. Whatever you have to find out, that you have to consider as x and y. Then what you have to find out? Find the distance travel by Vishal by bus, and that's why I am considering that let Vishal travel x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by plane. Understand? Then next condition, first condition you have to see, out of 1900 kilometers, means distance travel by bus and distance travel by plane is equal to 1900. Means distance travel by Vishal by bus and distance travel Vishal by plane is equal to total distance is 1900 kilometers. Means distance travel x kilometers by bus means x plus distance travel by plane is y kilometers and total distance both travel is 1900. This is the first condition. Then you have to come to the second condition. Second condition will start with this. Bus travels with the average speed of 60 km per hour and aeroplane travel with average speed of 700 km per hour. From that you have to prepare the second condition. We have the and condition is that it by the speed average speed of by bus is 60 km per hour and the average speed of the plane is 700 km per hour. It requires 5 hours to complete the journey. So first of all you have to we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, and from that time is equal to distance upon speed, because you have to transpose this time in this side and speed in this side, because by bus the speed of the bus is 60 km per hour and the distance travel by bus is x kilometers. From that you have to find out time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus is equal to time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is x kilometer and speed of the bus is 60 km per hour. Means you have to take this as the distance and this as the speed, and you have to find out that time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus. In the same manner you have to find by plane, the speed of the plane is 700 km per hour, distance traveled by plane is y km per hour, time taken by Vishal while traveling by plane is equal to, time is equal to, you have to say that distance upon speed, this is the distance y kilometers and this is the speed 700 kilometers. Means this is the time required by the bus is x upon 60 kilometer, x upon 60 hours, and the time required by the plane to travel the distance is y upon 700 hours. Understand? From the second condition, it takes 5 hours to complete the journey. This is the time required by the bus and this is the time required by the plane. And if you will combine together, at that time total time you will come 5 hours. Means this is the time required by bus, time required by plane, and total time required by both is 5 hours. From that if you will add this, then you have to convert it into the simple equation. At that time multiply both sides by 2100. If you will find out the LCM of 60 and 700, at that time LCM will come 2100. Multiply both sides by 2100. At that time this will come x upon 60 multiplied by 2100, y upon 700 multiplied by 2100, 5 multiplied by 2100, and after reduction this will come 30. This one is 60, 1 are 60, 60 35 are, means this will come 35x, and 700 ones are this 0 are cancelled, 7 1 are 7, 7 3 are 21, 3 multiplied by y is equal to 3y. From that new equation will come 35x plus 3y is equal to 10500. Then you have to solve these two equations, this simultaneous equation, by elimination. If you want to solve at that time, you have to equate one of the term. Then the coefficient of y is 1 and the coefficient of this y is 3. So multiply this equation 1 by 3 minus equation 2. After multiplying this equation 1 by 3, at that time this will come 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. And this equation as it is, you have to write 35x plus 3y is equal to 10500. Once we will give the minus sign, this plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. This will cancel. This 35x plus 3x, minus 35x plus 3x, minus 35 plus 3x is equal to minus 32x. This plus 5700 minus 10500, at that time this will come minus 4800. If you want to find out the x, multiplied by minus 32 becomes divided by minus 32, and this, if both numbers are negative, the quotient is positive, this minus sign will cancel. X is equal to 4800 upon 32. 32 1 are 32, 32 150s are 4800, and x is equal to 150 kilometers. From that we will find out that the distance travel Vishal by bus is equal to x kilometers is equal to 150 kilometers. I think you understand these things. Okay, you have to write this problem in the notebook. Thank you.